Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal could also be used for Taco Tuesday. We are making a carnivore pizza crust, again from our friend Keto Maria, or MariaEmmerich on YouTube, and we're going to put a link to her recipe in the description box below. This is for a carnivore pizza crust, and then we made our own toppings, and so we did a taco pizza. So you could use this for the Monday meal or for Taco Tuesday. So I hope you guys give this one a try. It was delicious. You know how we made the Cheez-Its a couple of weeks ago? The crust on this one kind of reminds us of the one big Cheez-It. It was really good. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, as Yoda said, we're making a carnivore pizza. So this is the pizza crust. Got our oven preheated to 425. And we are gonna put this in there for 5 minutes. But let me tell you what was in here. So we have a cup and a half of cheese. She used mozzarella, but I'm using Mexican style shreds. And this is MariaEmmerich. It is her Keto Maria or Maria Mind Body Health website. I'll link it in the description box below. But 1.5 cups of cheese. So I use the BioLife Mexican style shreds because we're gonna make a taco pizza. So that's our theme tonight for Taco Tuesday on a Monday, right? And then you use the cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're using Blue Gras, premium European style unsalted butter. And you put that in the microwave and heat it up for 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese is melted. Then you add in 3/4 of a cup of pork rinds, breadcrumbs. So these are ground up pork rinds basically. So 3/4 of a cup of that, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. So we're using sea salt. And then 1 egg. So that's 3 tablespoons of just egg substitute. So we mixed that together with the hand mixer, and then we patted it out into our pizza crust here that you see on the pan. So we're gonna put it in the 425-degree oven for 5 minutes, and then we'll add. All right, it's been 5 minutes in the 425-degree oven, and this is what our crust looks like so far. You want it to be golden. And I forgot to say, you grease the parchment paper. So this is what it looks like before you put the crust on it. I'm making 2, so you can see what it looks like, and then you just use your hands to pat it out into a circle shape, and it just comes. It goes on its own. It's actually pretty easy. Anyway, then we're gonna put our toppings on, which we're making a taco pizza, so I'm gonna use some fire roasted diced tomatoes instead of some pizza sauce. I use some taco seasoning, CFD taco seasoning, it's gluten-free, in a pound of ground venison, and I also added some minced onion into that as well. And then we're gonna use our BioLife vegan Mexican style shreds as our cheese. So I'm gonna work on this one, put this one in there, so we'll have 2. All right, we've got our 2 pizzas ready to go back in the oven. Use my fire roasted tomatoes, then my taco seasoned venison with some minced onion, and then our Mexican style vegan cheese on the top. We're gonna put these back into our 425-degree oven for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been our 10 minutes. All the cheese is melted, and here are our 2 taco pizzas on a carnivore crust. They look good to me, and since we greased our parchment paper, they easily come off. I would say, if you want it thicker, you probably need to make more of the crust or put it on a smaller, make a smaller size area pizza. I also saw another one that instead of the pork rind crumbs, it used canned chicken. So I may have to try that one sometime. But otherwise, it smells and looks really good. Enjoy.